Victoria Matosa, the Brazilian Latina supermodel, social media sensation, cosplayer, and fashionista, is renowned for her stunning lingerie and swimwear photos on her Instagram account, Soy Victoria Matosa. Born on May 8, 1997, in Brazil, Victoria, now 26, boasts a Taurus zodiac sign. Standing at 5 feet 3 inches tall, with a curvaceous figure featuring a 45-inch hip size, she mesmerizes with her slim, thick physique, captivating brown eyes, and dark hair. Victoria, currently single, proudly represents her Brazilian nationality. Victoria embarked on her social media journey in February 2021, spreading messages of self-love and confidence, as evidenced by her oldest archived Instagram post. In the fall of 2021, she wowed fans with her Spider-Man cosplay. With over 3.4 million followers on Instagram, and significant followings across Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat, Victoria has cemented her status as one of Brazil's most beloved models. Her allure transcends borders, captivating fans worldwide with her exceptional physique. Beyond social media, Victoria entices subscribers with exclusive content on her private website. Not merely a beauty, Victoria is multilingual, fluent in Portuguese, her native language, as well as English and other languages. Her appeal extends far beyond her captivating looks, making her a true global sensation.